really got a lot of cool stuff left in it. Interior lights, curb scene. Yeah, not surprised none of this works anymore. You can see where some of the outlets were. Do not paint this alarm. The classic kitty carbon monoxide alarm. Yeah, the second battery that powers all this stuff is long gone, unfortunately, but all these electronics are sure to work once they get some power to them. So this is where the other side of that receptacle goes. And then obviously here is the hot dog window we were calling it. Needs a door seal for sure. Missing top trim on one side, but hey. It's a 3500, so it's got the wider wheel wells. Came with a free microwave. I like the rubber coin matting on the floor and these rails here that are already there. A little bit of mold up here that needs to be cleaned up, but we did get a Dometic AC. And of course the front cab is really nice. Still have a little bit of coffee staining on the headliner, but let's be honest, they all do. The rubber mat is in pretty good shape. Somebody's pulled this up before because you can see the metal piece that's usually here and gone is not. Seats are in good shape. Lumbar support actually works on both of them too. Blend adjustment knob works. None of this stuff works. I mean, obviously these two switches do, the sprinter switches, but all the extra stuff doesn't. This is a really well done panel, as you can see. We've even got a track mic XLR input on the side over here. Again, very professionally well done.
This is from closing the ladder. When the wind hits it, bumps it.
Yeah, it's more for down here too.
Well, that's all been caved in, because when the wind catches that, it whips around and hits that, and
Yeah.
that's it. And you can probably hear it. It needs an exhaust gasket.
Oh. I hadn't listened that close yet to notice.
Don't tell me you're slipping.
Yeah.
Your reputation precedes you.
How many miles on it?
133,095.
Nice.
950. Yeah, 950 that is. So yeah, a lot, but not huge. Like nothing's ever been done down there. 2 keys? I see the key sitting there.
2 keys, I got the title. No.
Okay. Yeah, 2 keys, that's always a bonus.
2 keys. It's just the one key that's got that funky, for that little hot dog window thing.
Right, yep. I've seen them before.
I would say it's an alarm. It looks like an alarm to me.
We got the free spot.
Yep, there's the bingo card.
You can just hear that ticking. Maybe a manifold gasket. It just started doing it.
Are you familiar with Black Death?
I am.
AKA injector seal leak. I'm going to say your number 2 is leaking. Do you mind if we take this off and look?
Which one?
It don't smell diesel fuel, but it does smell a little hot.
That's a groovy paint job.
Thank you.
It's been running straight for about 5 hours. I haven't shut it off.
I've come to where I can smell it and hear it. I'm starting to guess at which cylinder it is now when I hear it, based on how it sounds. I'm thinking this is number 2.
Two or three. Oh, yeah.
Oh! Bingo! Ding, 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 ding.
We have a winner.
Number 2 it is. Oh, the crystal ball never fails me.
You're good. You're good.
Yikes, boo-boo. Yeah, that is definitely number 2 as well. The biggest bulge is right there. Number 1 is glassy, but it's probably just spilling over. Number 3 is all glassy, but again spilling over. The big volcanic eruption is right there on number 2.
Oh yeah, I hear it now. Rolling. That's good.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Just the injectors I'm smelling then. Nice and red.
Oh yeah.
A little over full from the looks of it, but it's hot too, so it might be just temperature making it look over full.
Needs a service.
Okay.
That's nice and
How are
tight.
you gonna get home? You're counting on me to take you home, I imagine, huh?
No, I'll just call one of my people for a ride.
Yeah, I'm just teasing anyhow. Clean,
Yeah.
appropriate level.
And it's over. It's serviced at 129. It's at 130.
Yeah. Needs a washer cap.
Deduct this.
Yeah, that's what. There's our free spot on the bingo card.
The washer cap.
Washer cap.
Yep.
Almost all of them have some windshield rust, but they all are missing the washer cap. So that Black Death is pretty disappointing. So it's something I'd have to take care of. Having real fresh in my mind what can go wrong and how expensive it can get. Take it for a drive. Whoops. Yeah, he hit the ground.
Awesome. Drop count 1.
A lot of times I'd suspect that people know this is going on or that, but I can tell this cover has not been off in a while, has it? Probably didn't know that was hiding under there. Sorry for the bad news.
Doesn't bother me.
Not the end of the world. Yeah, it's just a little inconvenience.
I have 258 trucks.
Yeah. Do you have a maintenance guy you'll send this to have that
I
fixed
have
before
4
moving on?
mechanics of my own, and then I have a retired Mercedes guy.
There's good.
Mind if I take it for a short little spin?
As long as I can go with you, there's your rag.
Sure thing.